like this, and this, and give you... I first thought this was a great idea, that it would look amazing. But I was wrong. Oat needed some serious TLC, baby. So the next day I took a simple photo of the product with a white background. Not this, I meant this, babe doll. Subscribe, you're welcome. Step number 1, use the app that's called InShot to cut out that white background from the subject. This is not an ad, and you know that everyone and their mamas use this app. And that's because it does the work for you, wink wink. You know I like apps that do the work, but you still need to go in and fix it. What I mean when I say fixing it, I mean you still need to zoom in and removing the background from the product in the nooks and crannies. See what I mean? Wow, I'm so good. See here, I'm stretching out the yellow to fill it up. Try to not mess up the lineup from where the floor meets the wall. Then when you are done with stretching out the background to fit the photo, we're going to remove some of the product, so when you do end up adding the new photo of the product on top of the background, it will look cohesive. I'm not going to lie, I remember to remove the product after I already edited the background so it could fit the color theme of the product that I cut out earlier in InShot. And it does help if you edit the product background before adding your new photo of the product, because if you don't edit the background to be similar to the product, it will look off. I hope I made sense. If I didn't, I'm sorry. You have a visual explanation in front of you. Hope that helps. Making the background very vibrant, because I did take the first photo of the product with the white background and sunset gold in our moment, so it did turn out looking great if you ask my opinion. Here is my favorite part now. We are using Fonto app to add the cut-up photo from the InShot edit. Just size it to fit the original placement of the product. Play around with it until you get it just right. Now that looks like it was the original photo, right? A princess. Don't hold back. Check out the other videos.